fridge of swirling colors where the toner wears a crown. A chicken trades its feathers for a ticket to the town. Aurora spills like honey over mountains made of cheese, while pickles draw out stilts beneath the lemon trees. Fluffy clouds of cotton candy drift in patterns bold, as kaleidoscope cucumbers recount stories never told. A laser beam of sunlight darts through windows made of glass, while jelly beans in top hats tip their hats as they pass. Mice in silver boots gather beneath the gummy vines, discussing the adventures of a cat that walks on twines. An octopus in pajamas brews a potion made of stars, while donuts ride their cycles racing in their cars. In this fridge of curiosities, where logic takes a break, we'll chase the floating teacups over rivers made of cake. So grab your cosmic goggles and let's explore the scene in Aurora's world of wonders, where nothing's as it seems. In Aurora's world of wonders, where nothing's as it seems. In the fridge of curiosities, where logic takes a break, we'll chase the floating teacups over rivers made of cake. So grab your cosmic goggles and let's explore the scene